Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're spotlighting the best cast iron pans for cooking on clearance, the Simple Chef Cast Iron Skillet 3-piece set. If you've been looking to upgrade your cookware without breaking the bank, you're in for a treat. Let's dive into this budget-friendly, professional-grade cast iron set that's turning heads in kitchens everywhere. This 3-piece skillet set comes in 3 practical sizes: 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch pans. Whether you're frying eggs, sautéing veggies, searing steaks, or baking pizza, this set has you covered. All 3 skillets come pre-seasoned and ready to use straight out of the box, which is a big win for anyone who's new to cast iron or just doesn't want to go through the seasoning process themselves. First, let's talk about build quality. These skillets are made of heavy-duty cast iron, and when we say heavy-duty, we mean business. The thickness of each pan ensures even heat distribution, which is one of the biggest advantages of cooking with cast iron. No more hot spots or inconsistent cooking. With these, your pancakes come out golden all the way across, and your meats get that perfect sear. Now let's move on to performance. The non-stick quality of the seasoning is noticeable, especially on first use. While it's always recommended to add a touch of oil, you'll be surprised at how easily food releases from the pan. It also performs excellently on a variety of heat sources: gas, electric, induction stovetops, even grills and campfires. And yes, these pans are oven-safe too, so they're incredibly versatile. The smaller 6-inch pan is perfect for individual servings or side dishes. The 8-inch is your go-to for omelets or sandwiches. And the 10-inch? That's where the magic happens, ideal for family meals, deep dish pizzas, or one-skillet dinners. Cleaning and maintenance are crucial with any cast iron, and this set is no exception. You'll want to hand wash with warm water and dry it immediately to prevent rusting. And while it's pre-seasoned, adding a light coat of oil after every wash will prolong its life and maintain its non-stick properties. But don't worry, even beginners will find it easy to care for with just a little practice. Now, this set isn't just about functionality, it's also about value. You're getting 3 pans for the price many brands charge for just one. Despite its affordability, it doesn't compromise on quality, which is why this set has become a go-to for home chefs, beginners, and even pros who want reliable cookware that doesn't empty their wallet. We should also mention that this set is from a small business brand, which is always worth supporting, especially when they deliver such solid craftsmanship. It's a smart buy for those who want to shop responsibly while still getting top-tier performance. One thing to keep in mind: this item currently isn't available for delivery to certain locations, so double-check shipping availability if you're purchasing internationally. In closing, the Simple Chef Cast Iron Skillet 3-piece set delivers a winning combination of durability, performance, and affordability. It's a fantastic addition to any kitchen and especially perfect if you're cooking on a budget or just looking for a reliable workhorse of a skillet. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more honest reviews on products that pack a punch. Drop a comment below if you've used this set or want us to review another cookware gem. See you in the next one.